Alright, tubers, here we have a 42-inch Hunter original. I believe, is that 89? Let's see. Nope. Yeah, from 89. This has the Type D motor in it, which is the one I've been looking for. There's the tag above it. So very excited to get this fan I got from Matthew Orat. Actually traded this beauty. It needs a lot of work actually. For a Casablanca Victorian. Oh, that's not good. Okay, Casablanca Victorian. Either let's go ahead and put this fan low. So, high, medium, low. Fan was pretty banged up when I got it. Still needs some work. I gave it a spare switch cap I had. Switch cap it was on was fully dented. Switch housing is a bit crooked. With rubbing against the flywheel, I got it over a little bit. I gotta take it all the way off and see if I can straighten it out a little bit better. There wasn't a mounting hardware, so I took some off another fan. It's a low speed. Just dropping everything today. Going into medium. I've been looking for one of these for a while because I remember Kmart having tons of these and I missed it in the food court. Sorry, I'm sweating. It's hot out here in Florida, even at night. Sucks. But medium runs very well. Let's go to high now. A little bit of a wobble too. I gotta see if I can fix that. Oh no, works very good. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Hear that? That's it, still rubbing just slightly. So, need some work, but luckily nothing too hard that I can't fix. This is going to get thrown onto my projects list. I may leave it as it is. I may repaint this one. I don't know. Not in the best condition. Actually, funny enough, it looks like it came from a Kmart since it has the long down rod and everything, so it's kind of cool. When I say Kmart, I mean Target. Was it Target? No, I can't remember. Pretty sure it was Target that had them in the food court area. And there we go. Just a quick little view into the motor so you can see. There you go. I'll do a turn up to high. And there we go. Thanks for watching.